You didn't know we had that?
Floss with a built-in toothpick.
Hello, Savannah Kingdom. We didn't really do an intro. Kind of just got going. You need some sunscreen on your face, little one. Yeah. You ready to go on Cali River Rapids today? My baby boy is finally tall enough to ride fun stuff. So I'm really excited. And it's hot, so it's the perfect day to do it. Right now we are currently eating, we're honestly picky eaters, so yeah, we basically got the chicken bowl and put everything on the side, because, yeah. What you think about it? You missed the old bowl, right?
I missed the old bowl.
Yeah. They used to have like a salad, rice, and chicken combo with like a nice pico on top. They got rid of that. I'm disappointed, I will not lie. But on a brighter note, it comes with, usually it would be all together. I wish I had the picture in front of me. I'll show you guys in a minute later. But basically we got the rice and the chicken, and we got the chickpeas on the side. They're dried out, if that makes sense. Like, they're not like how normal chickpeas are. I don't know, it's just me being late to the game or something, but I've never had them like that. And then they also give this like tomato salad on top, but I just put it on the side because Lance don't really do tomatoes. And then we got fries for Jakari, because that's all he lives off of. How are the fries, Jakari? They good? Yummy. I personally think the rice is a lot drier. The other rice is a lot more moist. Like this. Yeah. But the chicken still tastes about the same. Yeah, the chicken's the same, I feel. It was really just pico adding a different layer of flavor to this back in the day, and the salad was just like refreshing. They got like a tzatziki sauce. It's not bad, it's just very heavy on the yogurt. That's all actually not. In fact, it's not bad, but it's just not for this bowl, personally, in my opinion. Try a little cucumber salad. Got it. Perfectly seasoned. I had grabbed salt and peppers just in case, but pretty perfectly seasoned. I'd say that is pretty good if you put that right on top of the bowl. And I wish I just had a side of lettuce. They said that they all come like basically pre-made now, like the salads. So like I couldn't even get a side of lettuce to throw on top of here. But if they added lettuce back to this bowl, it wouldn't be that bad, honestly. But I still think the old bowl is better. And you think that too? Yeah. Did you get yourself a dinosaur? Oh, you're just sold, huh? Right.
Why do you think you want to get that? Yeah. Does it matter the car?
All right, well, took my last ride on Dinosaur. Bought my toddler, well, Lance bought my toddler a giant dinosaur. Okay. And our drinks just came out. All right, try yours. Cheers. 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 Like this already. Always my favorite.
Was that the drinks?
Yeah, thank you. How's yours?
Awesome.
Awesome Blossom? Alright, see you in 20 minutes when we're back. Alright, we got the lobster mac and cheese here. And then we got the chicken nuggets and fries.
Chicken tendies, can't go wrong with the tendies.
Lance thought he was gonna get my first bite. Absolutely crazy. Insane. That's a bigger piece of lobster than I got last time. Just gonna show that. We're gonna ignore the black. It's just a little burn from the oven.
I don't like lobster like that.
He just wants some mac and cheese.
Yeah.
What you think? It's good, right? Get your own.
That's good.
All right, try your chicken tenders and fries.
All right, my chicken tendies. I need to stop drinking before I eat.
Look how much of our drink we drank, so we didn't even drink a lot here. Like, these things get you bent. Just wait till we actually halfway. They good?
nice regular taste of chicken nuggets. Really good. The ham batter is really good. Yeah, the breading on it tastes really good.
Crispy season.
Crispy.
No, wait for this to cool a little more, but this, I've had this before. It's very, very delicious. Get it, just get it. You agree to it.
Oh my god, no.
Update, we are only so far here. And I can't get up if I wanted to. How about you?
I don't want to talk about it.
You don't want to talk about it? How's the chicken tendy?
Awesome.
They're going? They're going back. Smack the cheese down. Dreaming.
You know what? They do this on purpose. They want you to stay here.
It's like you come here. Yeah, you come here. And they got that music playing. The essence everywhere. They trying to make you all relax. And they got us in a corner near a door with the AC that hits us. But we outside too. It's like the best of both worlds.
This is that, guys. Nice AC.
I just figured this had two types of rum.
I got front. Okay.
The baby's still asleep. It's like a magical aura comes over this place every time that we come here. He's asleep. And we get, like, look at this. It's a full drink practically. How we gonna get back to the hotel?
I'm about to rent a wheelchair.
He's gonna wheel all of us out of here though. Jakari's asleep.
Oh God.
Oh. Don't make eye contact. Don't make eye contact. Nah, he went back. He went back. He did that thing his father do when he go. They both sleep with like their eyes slightly open sometimes. It's real creepy, baby. It's
Good.
really good, thank you.
Yeah, can we order like the churros? Yeah. Thank you.
Dessert will be served today.
Oh, his eyes like the Undertaker right
That's
now.
what I'm saying.
Look.
I think he stopped doing it though. But he'd be like,
You gotta eat your food.
I'm eating. It's a bottomless pit here. That's why the shells are so little, because they can stuff them in there. Plus it's heavy because it is mac and cheese and we're well, we'll see when the churros get here.
They're recording too.
Hey. Alright, our churros arrived. We got chocolate sauce, vanilla cream, and real delectable. Okay, alright, Lance.
Time to test it out.
Oh.
Amazing. Give me 14 of them.
I'm still working on my mac and cheese, but oh, and I got a wet spot on my shirt from my drink. Are they soft?
These are probably the best churros on the Disney World property. Probably even Disneyland. I'm gonna say that this probably is the best churros that Disney ever made.
Always soft.
Always soft. They always come cooked, hot, ready, not dry at all. Yeah, so this is my biggest preference. If you want to look for churros for Disney, go to Nomad Lounge in Disney World.
And they're only like $10 too, so it's not that bad for
10
Disney
bucks
prices.
even.
Yeah, even. For
And you
Disney
get a bowl.
prices.
You You get about 5. The sizes are like this size. So yeah. Best churros ever.
This mac and cheese still buses. Thank you very much, Lance. So I got a churro. We're gonna try vanilla first because I'm plain and boring and I like vanilla. Melts in your mouth. Let's try chocolate. Yeah, I definitely need one of these. I like the vanilla better. But I do like both. I think it is a hotter day, so you might want to get this more in the evening time, or like with something more refreshing like a water or something. We just eat like a heavy mac and cheese, and now we're eating heavy dough with sugar. They're still good, but personally for someone like me, I need a breather. Well, Animal Kingdom short day for the most part. We didn't do too much. We did a lot at the same time. Nomads is great. Definitely struggling to walk out right now. Water is key, hydration. We got Jakarta still slump here. It's gonna be good. We're gonna go back to the hotel and probably fall asleep ourselves.